Hello. So today I'm going to show you how you can manage your doctors or healthcare professionals through our platform. Not only this, I will also show you how the doctors can then access, this portal and then manage things like their own details and the bookings that they receive. So this information is very, very crucial for the calling agent to be able to pick up information and available time slots for bookings and things like the doctor's names, their specialties, their locations that they operate in to be able to then guide the clients that call in at the practice. So when you will come on board with us, your and you log in with your credentials, your dashboard will look something like this, where you should be able to click on the doctors and then be able to add information about them by clicking on this button, Add New Doctor. Here you can start with the doctor's name. You can put in the email address of the doctor. So let's say there's a password that you can change or put up here. There's a phone number that you can put here and then location. So this is especially useful if you might have, different locations that your clinic has and then the doctor is available at multiple of them. So this can be edited here. The platform will ask you to, of course, put in at least one, but in case of many, then you have the options here. Then you go on next, and you should be able to put in information like education, any noteworthy details you want mentioned in their profiles, their specialties. Again, this is something that can, be done on multiple levels. And again, this list is something that can be completely customized according to the specialties that are offered at your clinic. Then you can put in languages. You can put in multiple languages if your staff has, multilingual capacity. And then lastly, you can put availability, which is according to days and time slots. And as you can see, if you select multiple locations, this sort of schedule will come up for multiple locations here. So here I can change whole days or time slots according to the availability of the particular doctor. This can be done, and then by clicking create stuff, the doctor should be created. And here we go, the doctor is here. Once this has been created, the agent should be able to pick up information about, again, name, location, specialties, available time slots, and then take in bookings accordingly. Once the bookings come in, they can be managed through this holistic dashboard that you will have access to, looking something like this. But just to remain on topic, if your doctor needs to access the portal and then see the details for themselves, you can log out and then log in with the email address that has been set up for the doctor. So here, if I just put in, the email address for the doctor I set up, this opens up to bookings. And here you can get different kinds of views, toggle between monthly and weekly. You can, toggle between the calendar and the table view. You can see total bookings, confirm bookings, pending bookings, cancel bookings. And so this can give a chance for all of your staff to be able to see, what bookings are received and manage their schedules accordingly. So yeah, this was a very, very simple take on this, and it should be very easy for your staff to undertake, for your doctors to undertake, or for our team to help you with and get it set up within minutes.